This is the Trane Odyssey commercial split system air conditioner I made a video of a few months ago. It kept turning on and shutting off, but now it's like 90 degrees and it seems to be just running like full speed. Like it hasn't shut off yet. And there's that smashed up Bryant right there. The 97 5-ton Bryant. Straight cool unit. I forget what year this is from. Manufactured in March of '98. 1998 Trane Odyssey commercial split system running in cool. Well, it's a straight cool unit running on a 90-degree day. Shouldn't say cool mode because it's a straight cool unit. It is hot as hell right now. Not as bad as some of the days last summer, but it is definitely hot as hell. Yeah, I doubt this damn thing works anymore. Nope, not cold. But look at this. It's like iced over completely. Definitely seems to be working though, iced over or not. I somehow doubt that Bryant works any longer. Alright, 1998 Trane Odyssey split system straight cool air conditioner running on a very, very hot day. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.